Hello students, in this session you can see Introduction to UV Spectroscopy, Basic Principles of UV Spectroscopy and different type of electrons and electronic transitions. In UV spectroscopy, when a organic molecule is interacting with UV radiation, electronic transition takes place. The amount of radiation actually absorbed depends on the structure of the compound and also the wavelength of radiation. When it comes to electronic transitions, we should know which are the different type of electron present in organic molecule. The electrons are sigma electrons, pi electrons and n electrons or non-bonded electrons. Sigma electrons are there in all saturated and unsaturated molecule as there will be sigma bonds. The electrons involved in sigma bonds are termed as sigma electrons. As it is a very strong bond, it is really difficult to excite a sigma electron. Too much of energy is required to excite or cause the transition of sigma electrons. When it comes to pi electrons, they are involved in unsaturated molecule just like alkenes, alkynes as well as carbonyl compounds. So here pi to pi star transition or pi to sigma star transition need less energy and it falls in UV region. And the third type of electrons are n electrons, non-bonding electrons or unshared electron which will be there in the molecule when there is a heteroatom which contain lone pair of electron. Even for the transition of n to sigma star or n to pi star also we need less energy and that will fall in UV region. So when we compare the energy required for all these transition, the lowest energy required transitions are pi to pi star, n to sigma star and n to pi star. So these are the common transitions included in UV radiation or UV region. This is the spectra. This is the chart which will show the different type of electronic transitions where the sigma and pi are bonding molecular orbitals and sigma star and pi star are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So here we can have this non-bonding molecular orbital. So this transition shows n to pi star transition. Here this is pi to pi star and this is pi to sigma star and here we have sigma to sigma star transition. As it is indicated in this diagram, sigma to sigma star transition need highest energy and so this transition will not be corresponding to UV radiation or UV cannot cause the excitation of the sigma to sigma star transition. So the most common transition involved are these three. Now when we consider methane molecule contain only a sigma electron. So in UV, when UV radiation or ultraviolet radiation is radiated with methane molecule, we cannot see a prominent spectra because only the possible transition is sigma to sigma star and it shows an absorption maxima at 125 nanometer. Then coming to a molecule which contain heteroatom like chlorine, iodine or OH or NH2 which contain lone pair of electron, we can have lone pair of electron on the molecule and this molecule can cause n to pi star as well as n to sigma star transitions in the molecule as it contain both sigma star and pi star orbitals. So both type of n to sigma star and n to pi star transition will be taking place when it is interacting with UV radiation. When it comes to alkenes or alkynes, there can be pi electrons in the molecule and which will be leading to the transition to pi star and pi to sigma star. But when we arrange all these transitions in the decreasing order, we can have sigma to sigma star greater than n to sigma star which is greater than pi to pi star and the least one will be n to pi star. So the most common transitions involved in this UV radiation which can cause transition in UV are n to sigma star, pi to pi star and n to pi star. So in this session, you would have learned about introduction, basic principle and different type of electrons and types of electronic transitions taking place in UV spectroscopy.